Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Calculus problems involving products of trigonometric functions look intimidating, but you can solve this derivative quickly by following 3 simple steps. Let us dive right in. Start by applying the product rule. Since we have the product of secant and tangent, we differentiate the first times the second plus the first times the derivative of the second. Now substitute the known derivatives. The derivative of secant is secant times tangent, and the derivative of tangent is secant squared. This gives us our expanded expression for the final result. Finally, multiply the terms to simplify. We get secant times tangent squared plus secant cubed, which matches our first option perfectly. You got this. That is the correct final answer. Nailed it! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid skipping the chain rule and watch for sign errors by using the product rule.